How to disable chat in Roblox. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to disable chat in Roblox. It's a really simple process, folks. So let's get started. First, click on the More option down here. Under More, you'll see several options. Scroll down to find Settings. In Settings, you'll find more options. Click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, folks, click on Communication. Then click on Experience Chat. Turn off both Experience Chat and Direct Chat. It will be disabled automatically. Quick and easy, right? Did it work? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.